Happy holidays, everyone. Aw, sweetie.
Come on, just stay still for a second, please. I got a present for Dad.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was
Yay, look at that.
What if I could get the birds to take a selfie video just for me? Got it! I'm gonna take a bird feeder and attach a camera here and voila!
Dad, it's called Birdfy. Look at that.
I got tools and a power cable. What if it could be solar charged and wireless? Well, that would be perfect.
It is perfect, and it's done.
Wow. I got a great idea. What if the app could remind me every time a bird comes to feed, and I wouldn't miss a moment?
It already has that.
But how about identifying the birds?
It already does that with AI.
I have an even better idea.
That's enough. That's enough. Come along. Come along. Sit. No, no, no.